ka komite bekerpang bala tau de kesorka jela nagaban taban pe ye kilat kilenti kumnu ban pin kin ria no ya kito ki basa hathem yo molong hakajan mets ki baar kala IT ye ka kaifot hau mentri rang ba ka jela ya kani ka kaifot la IT do sherman jongka HLC badai ru sembut mentri rang ba ka jela oba preston tinsong
discuss all the details. It is the duty of the government to brief or to detail all of you once the decision is taken. Because see, by convention, when we submit a report means what? We just submit a report. I have nothing to say anything. Then government will take detailed discussion on this, and ultimately when they take a decision, they will brief the press, and then we will come out in a proper manner how to inform the citizens of this state. Now I can't say anything as I said because just tonight we submitted the report. We have already submitted the report. So now it is up to the government. So let the chief minister and let the officers study everything and then bring it to the cabinet. When that I can't say. But I would like to see that the discussion takes place at the earliest possible in the cabinet. Chief Minister. So let us see after submitting the report. Again, the next step is government will sit down, cabinet will sit down, and we will go point by point, line by line. So let us wait till the cabinet sits. Because right now I can't say anything because I'm the chairman of the high level committee. So I'm just informing you that we already completed our task and today we already submitted the report. I can't say right now, since we already submitted, as I said to you, let the cabinet, the Honorable Chief Minister will go through everything and then he will bring it to the cabinet.